Greetings fellow designers and welcome to CAD and Sorcery. Sometimes, when working with SOLIDWORKS, we may experience unexpected behavior from the software. A simple example would be losing the default SOLIDWORKS templates that reside within the default file locations that come with its SOLIDWORKS installation, or, in some cases, something much more complicated. In any case, when you deal with these unexpected behaviors, don't rush yourself to delete or uninstall the software. Instead, the first thing I would suggest you to do is to run an installation repair. Now let's see what is an installation repair and what it does. To put it in simple words, the installation repair reviews your installation directory and registry and compares it to the installation media. This means that if a file is incorrect or missing, the installer overrides the file from the installation media without affecting the user settings or user interface customization. To launch SOLIDWORKS Repair installation, simply right-click on your Windows icon at the bottom of the bar. Go to Apps and Features and search for SOLIDWORKS. Then click on Modify, and once the installation manager appears, click on the Repair Your Installation option and hit Next. On the Products to Repair window, you can select which products you want to repair specifically. Depending on the behavior you're experiencing, consider choosing one, multiple, or all products that are affected. Then, click on the Repair button. And that's it. Keep in mind that the more products you choose to repair, the longer the process will take. And remember, it is a good practice to run repair before reinstalling, because it takes less time than reinstalling, and reinstalling means that SOLIDWORKS will be reverted to its default installation settings. Also, this is a good way for a general troubleshoot, so don't reinstall before you try to repair at least once. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. See you next video!